Hello guys, I'm Muskan Patel from Radical Tech Solution Private Limited, and today I'm gonna be introducing with you a very interesting product named Digital Vernier Caliper. So let's follow this video till the end. Let's talk about Digital Vernier Caliper. So an electronic digital vernier caliper is an ideal tool for a broad range of industrial and automotive applications which made of extra strong carbon fiber composites. So let's look on product review. It has minimum scale to read is 0.1 mm or 0.01 inch. Battery is SR44 or LR44, 1.5 volt or CR20323 volt. Material is carbon fiber composites. So let's analyzing further for. So guys, today I am introducing you with very interesting product. Vernier caliper, which is digital. You can see here. Now I open this. So you have a battery cell like this, and it is digital vernier caliper made of carbon fiber composites. Digital caliper. Its resolution is 0.1 mm or 0.01 inch. Accuracy is plus or minus 2.2 mm or 0.01 inch. Battery is SR44 or LR44, 1.5 volt. You can see here a cell with me. Also, inches and mm is available with your reading. As well as here you can see on and off key and zero setting is available to measuring readings. So you can see here a symbol arrow. You can add your battery like this. So for easy reading you can get big LCD display for readings. It is made of extra strong carbon fiber composite as we have seen in backside of this model. Light in weight and durability is good with this model. So now let's operate this vernier caliper with instruments. So let's follow this video. So guys, you can see here some instruments with me. We are going to check this one by one, its outer diameter and inner diameter. So let's take one first. On this, it's set, it's 0. So you can see here 6 mm diameter of the sensor. So it's very easy reading for any reading measurements. So now let's check its diameter, outer and inner side. So first we check outer diameter. So you can see its outer diameter is 107 mm. We can check now its inner diameter also. So let's follow this video. So for inner diameter, go through this scale and like this you can measure inner diameter. So you can see here 16 mm its inner diameter is. On this cutter you can see here its dimensions are given 107 outer side and 16 mm is inner side. So our caliper is very calibrated
well calibrated and it's working properly. So from this you can check any readings. Now I check this outer diameter of this pipe. So it's 21. Now let's check its inner diameter. So it's 15.2. So this vernier caliper, digital vernier caliper, is very useful in many industry purposes.
Its specifications and functions. Measuring range is 0 to 150 mm, 0.6 inch. Resolution is 0.1 mm, 0.01 inch. Repeatability 0.1 mm, 0.01 inch. Maximum measuring speed is 1.5 meter per second or 60 inch per second. Measuring system is non-contact linear CAP measuring system. Display LCD display minus sign, 4 digits character and IN sign for each measuring unit. Operating temperature is 0 degree centigrade to plus 40 degree centigrade. Also storage temperature is minus 20 degree centigrade to plus 70 degree centigrade. Influence of humidity not important within 0 to 80% of relative humidity. So it has two features available: zero setting and scaling in mm or inches changeable. As per your requirements, you can measure your readings. Now let's check how it's operate. So let's look on to what are the main uses of vernier caliper. Measuring the internal diameter of a tube or a cylinder, measuring the length of an object, measuring the depth of a breaker or a bottle. So let's talk about its advantages of digital calipers. Easy reading of measurements, high accuracy can be zeroed at any point. Measurements can easily be converted, quadri feature, long battery life. So these are all the advantages of this digital vernier caliper. So guys, hurry up and let's get confirmed your order for digital vernier caliper with very offering rates at Radical Tech Art. Thank you.